0580 11 May June 24 score paper. So you can use calculator. You should use calculator. Okay, also if it's required you have to use tracing paper too. Okay, so let's go for the first question. Write 0.8 as a fraction, so one decimal place, so we'll write 8 over 10. So the answer is going to be 8 over 10. Next, write 28% as a decimal, which is 28% always we divided by 100, which is 2 decimal place, so we can go 2 decimal place. The answer is going to be 0.28. Next, you can use calculator as well. That question, right? 4876. Correct the nearest 100. Nearest 100 is going to be here. This is ones, tens, 100. So we will look at the tens place. If 5 are above, we should add 1 to 100 place. So here is 7 is greater than 5. So 4900 is the answer. 4900. The next question 2. Measure the length of AB in millimeters. So we'll measure the length A to B. So use ruler and measure the length AB. Approximate we'll get like a 10.7 centimeter. Centimeter to millimeter we need to multiply a 10, which is 107 millimeter. Next, the travel graph shows the journey of the bus. Find the distance the bus travels. First 50 minutes, 14 to 14:30, so it's 30 minutes. So each box carries like 30 minutes, so 10 10 10. So each box is like a 10 minutes. Okay, so 50 minutes, so 30 40 50. So until here, just go here and get the value of this. So we can check when you draw a line. So here it's going to be, so that is 10 kilometer. Here the answer is. Next, find how long in minutes the bus is in stationary. Minutes is in the down, stationary here to here, so it's taking rest. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 4 boxes, which is 40 minutes. Next, write down the order of rotational symmetry of a rhombus. Rhombus is all 4 sides are equal. This all 4 sides are equal, so we need to rotate like a 360 degree, one full rotation. Like when we rotate 2 times, we'll get the same shape. So it's the rotational symmetry of 2. The diagram shows the shape of 1 centimeter grid and find the area of the shape. So first we'll divide into this. Here 1 centimeter square grid, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here is like 10 centimeter square, and here we'll see 1 2 1 and this 2. Yeah, here this part equal to this part equal to this, so we can take it 2. So 10 plus 2, 12 centimeters square. Or we can do, so here is, look at here 1 and 2, so 2. Here is 1 2 3 4 5, so 5. So when the rectangle area is going to be 10, 2 times 5 is going to be 10. Then there's a triangle formula is half into base into height. So half into what is base? The base is going to be this length, which is 1 2 3 4. So we can write 4, and the height is going to be this, the height, so it's 1. So yeah, when we calculate we'll get it 2. So 10 plus 2 is going to be 12. Anyway, we'll get the correct answer. Next, work out 28 minus 16 divided by 2. We are using the BODMAS rule, so which is 16 divided by 2, division should be first, which is 8. So 28 minus 8, which is going to be 20 here. Next, find the reciprocal of 4 over 5. 4 over 5 reciprocal, just swap numerator and denominator, which is going to be 5 over 4. 5 over 4 is an improper fraction, so just we'll change it into mixed fraction, which is in 5 there is only 1 4 is there. So 4, the left is 1, 1 1 1 4. Next, The temperature of Monday is negative 27 degrees Celsius. The temperature on Tuesday is 15 degrees Celsius higher than on Monday. So we should add this negative 27 plus 15. The answer, when you add, we'll get like negative 12. Next. Question 8. Draw all lines of symmetry of the shape. So here is two line symmetry. The first symmetry is going to be here, then second one is going to be here. When we fold up the leg, we need to find two equal shapes, so which is two rotational symmetry here. Next, question 9. The diagram shows two sides of the parallelogram ABCD. Find the coordinates of D. So coordinates of D, so we'll find out. This is very simple. So just find B to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units are right, and 1, 2, 2 units up. So same thing from A, 4 units right and 2 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. So this is the point of D. So what is the coordinate? X-axis negative 3 and y-axis 7. So negative 3 and 7. The next, question 10. The total surface area of this cuboid is 369 centimeters square. Work out the value of a total surface area 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height, which is equal to 369. So 2 times, I'll substitute all the values because the values are given. Length 15 times 6 plus breadth 6 times, because h is not given, so this is 6 plus 15 times h equal to 369. So I'll do rest here. 2 into 15 times 6 is going to be 90 plus 6h plus 15h equal to 369. So 2 into 2 into 90 plus 21h equal to 369. So when we multiply inside, which is 180 plus 42h equal to 369. So 42h, when I subtract 180 both the side, which is 369 minus 180. Next, I'll divide 42 both the side, which is 369 minus 180 over 42. So we'll get h equal to 4.5. So the answer is 4.5. Next question. Geeta has a box of toys. She picks at a toy at random from the box. The probability that she picks a wooden toy is 0.6. Work out the probability that she does not pick a wooden toy. So maximum probability is 1. So does not mean just take away from 0.6. The answer is going to be 0.4. Next, the box contains 3 types of toys: wooden, plastic and metal. The box is given. So wooden toy is going to be 0.6. What about the other 2 toys? Okay, so you look at here. Total probability is 1 always, but 0.6 is for wooden, so rest all going to be plastic and metal, but the value is same, so it should be equal. So rest is going to be 0.4. We'll divide it by 2, which is 0.2. So here is 0.2 and here is 0.2. Next, we need to calculate how many wooden toys are there. See, 0.2 is 14. 0.2 times total number of toys equal to 14. So x equal to like 14 divided by 0.2. The answer is like total 70 toys are there. Okay, x equal to 70. Now we need to calculate 0.6. So 0.6 times 70 is going to be 42. So here 42 toys were there. Next question. The table shows some information about 2 sequence A and sequence B. The first part, n the term is given, so fifth term we need to find, just replace n equal to 5. So 60 minus 4 times 5, which is, okay, you can use calculator. 60 minus 20, which is equal to 40. The next one, put n equal to 5, which is 5 square minus 300. The answer is going to be minus 275. Next, complete. Okay, we've done this. Okay, find the coordinates of the point where the line y equal to y equal to 3x minus 5 crosses the y-axis. When it is crosses on y-axis, x is going to be 0, because here this is our coordinate here. So y-axis always x is going to be 0. So just replace here, x is going to be 0. Y equal to 3 times 0 is going to be 0 minus 5. So y equal to negative 5 is the answer. Next question, question 14. By writing each number in the calculation, correct one significant figure, find the estimate value of show all your working. So first we need to round one significant figure, 28.2. When you round up by one place, check the next. This is 5 or above, so we have to round up here. So we'll get 30, the first number, when you round up by one significant figure, minus here one significant figure. So after decimal there is 5 or more, so we should add up. So 6 over here. After decimal is below 5, so we no need to add here. So 4 times here after decimal is going to be 1, is more than 5, so we'll round up by 2, which is next. You can use calculator. 30 minus 6, which is 24 over 8. The answer is going to be 3. Next, factorize completely. So we need to find higher HCF. So 36 and 40, the maximum common divisor is going to be 4. And here x is there, here also x is there. I'll bring it 4x out. So 4 times 9x. So 9x is left. Here is going to be plus 10. That's it. That's the answer. 4x of 9x plus 10. The next question going to be question 16. The diagram shows a rectangle with the length is 3x minus 12 and the width is x plus 7. Find an expression of the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So 2 times 3x minus 12 plus 2 times x plus 7. And I expand this, this is 6x minus 24 plus 2x plus 14. So I'll take together 6x plus 2x, which is 8x, and negative 24 plus 14, which is going to be negative 10. The answer is going to be 8x minus 10. Next, the diagram shows a circle. Center O, P lies on the circle. Write down the mathematical name of the line OP. OP is the radius. Okay, the next one, draw a tangent to the circle at P. Tangent always 90 degree with the radius, so just touch only one point here. Yes, so it's going to be 90 degree. This is a tangent, so we draw as a tangent. Done. Next, question 18. Find the greatest odd number, the factor of 140 and the factor of 210. So 140 when we factorize, which is 2 and 70, and 2 and 35, then 5 and 7. So 2 times 2 times 5 times 7, the first number. Then 210 when we factorize, 2 and 105, then 521, then 3, then 7. Here what you will get, 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. So here is a 5 and 7 and 2 we cannot take. When we take 2, it will become as an even number. So odd number only 5 times 7, because there's a common thing here, which is 35 is the greatest like odd number. So if it's even, so we can bring 2 as well. Next, just use calculator in the proper way to type calculator, so we'll get the answer. Yeah, so when you type, you'll get the answer as 3 over 5. Okay, so next question B. Yeah, here also same thing. Calculator, you need to use the proper button and find out 1024 you will get here. Next, find the value of 137 power 0. Any number power 0, the answer going to be 1. Next, yeah, here when we divide the exponent, when we divide, the exponent is going to be a subtraction. So 7 over 7 power 12 divided by 7 power p equal to 7 power 17. So here same base is a division. So we can write 7 power 12 minus p equal to 7 power 17. So both the side the base is same. So the exponent we can equate. So 12 minus p equal to 17. So minus p, I'll subtract 12 both the side, which is 17 minus 12. So minus p equal to 5, p equal to negative 5. So I multiply a negative both the sides, which is going to be negative 5. Next one, question 21. Calculate 1.827 times 10 power 6 divided by 9000. Use calculator. Your final answer will be visible as C203. But here is give the answer in the standard form. Standard form actually from left one decimal place. So I'll write decimal here. What will happen? 1 2 place I'm moving here. So 2.03 times 10 square. 2.03 times 10 power 2. Next, solve simultaneous equation. You must show all your workings. So here no term is common, so I'll make one term is common. So x I'm going to match. First equation I'll write as it is 6x plus 2y equal to 29. The second equation, entire equation I multiply at 2. So what will happen? 6x minus 8y equal to 34. Now 6 and 6 is same. One term I made it same, so I'm going to subtract both the equations. So 6x minus 6x is a 0. So 2y, when we subtract, it will become plus, it will become minus, and it become minus. So 6 and minus 6 become 0. Next, 2 plus 8 is 10. 10y equal to 29 minus 34, which is going to be minus 5. So y equal to minus 5. I'll divide 10 both aside. So y equal to negative 1 by 2 is, which is equal to negative 0.5. So y equal to negative 0.5. Next, I'll do this y value. I'll substitute the first equation, which is 6x plus 2 times negative 0.5 equal to 29. So 6x, then it's become 1 equal to 29. Sorry, it's negative 1. So 6x equal to, when I add 1 both the sides, okay, it's become 29 plus 1. So 6x equal to 30. When I divide 6 both the sides, okay, which is 5. So x is going to be 5, y is going to be negative 0.5. Next, change 9.6 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 9.6 kilometer we are changing to meter. We need to multiply 1000. So that's the changes kilometer to meter. Next, hours to seconds. First we need to change 1 hour to seconds is become, first we need to change into minutes. 1 hour first, minutes becomes 60. We need to multiply. Now we got 60 minutes. 60 minutes went to seconds, so again we need to multiply a 60 is become a seconds. So when we calculate, you will get the answer as 2 you will get the answer 2.6666. Keep going. So we'll round up into decimals. So 2.67 is the answer. 3 significant. Next, question 24. These are the first 5 terms of the sequence. Find the expression for the nth term of the sequence. So first 5 terms. Okay, I'll write the n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a is going to be 11, and the difference, so we'll check 18 minus 7, 18 minus 11, which is going to be 7. and 25 minus 18, which is going to be 7. The difference is 7. So an equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into 7. Just expand 11 plus 7 n minus 7, which is first 7, and I'll write here what 11 minus 7 is going to be 4. So the answer is 7n plus 4 is the nth term. Next question 25. The diagram shows a shape made from a triangle JKL and a semicircle with diameter JL. So JKL is an isosceles right angle triangle with JK equal to JL equal to 12.8 centimeter. Calculate the area of this shape. So first area, total area. First we'll find out this area. So it's a triangle, right? This triangle is going to be half into base. Base is 12.8 times 12.8. This is the area of a triangle. This is a triangle. Next, plus the area of the semicircle. Area of the circle is pi r square, but semicircle is just we'll take pi r square by 2. Pi into r square. So here 12.8 is the diameter is 12.8. So the radius is going to be, so just make it half, which is 12.8 divided by 2, which is equal to 6.4. So radius I can write 6.4 square, which is pi r square. So the answer is going to be here 146.2598. So if we go for three significant figure, then your answer is 146. So we can go for decimal also. When we round the 146.3 also, we can give the answer. The answer is going to be 146.3. We can leave. Next, calculate the perimeter of the shape. Perimeter, the triangle perimeter. So it's a right angle triangle. We have to use the Pythagoras and find the KL. So how to find the KL? Pythagoras square, okay, which is square root of 12.8 square plus 12.8 square, square root of the other two sides. Okay, then this is KL. I'll write again here the perimeter going to be, first is we'll write, I'll write this side here, JK plus KL plus LJ. JK is going to be 12.8, already is given. KL is going to be, we are using Pythagoras, KL square equal to 12.8 square plus 12.8 square. So KL, so we'll write KL square equal to 12.8 square plus 12.8 square. This is Pythagoras. So KL equal to square root of the entire thing. So same thing, I'm going to write square root of 12.8 square plus 12.8 square plus now LJ. LJ is a semicircle, so circumference of the circle is like a 2 pi r. So now it's a semi, so we divided by 2. 2 got cancelled, only pi r. Pi into radius is going to be, already we found the radius 6.4. When we calculate, our answer is going to be 51 point, we'll get the answer like this one, 51.008126. So we'll round up by 3 decimal places, which is 51 point, three significant figure. The answer is 51.0. We can write, even if we write 51 also is correct answer. This is the end of the sheet.